Today we're making crispy, flavorful falafel using the air fryer. Add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas to a food processor. Then add 1 small chopped onion, half a cup of fresh parsley, and 1/4 cup fresh mint. For seasoning, add half teaspoon baking soda along with half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of Perfeito all-purpose seasoning. Blend everything until the mixture is well combined and forms a smooth, slightly textured paste. Using 2 spoons, shape the mixture into small oval patties, or that classic falafel canoe shape. Place the falafel into the air fryer basket, making sure they're not touching and lightly spraying with oil for even browning. Air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes until golden on the outside and soft on the inside. Serve with warm pita bread, sliced cucumber, radishes, fresh cilantro, and plenty of tahini sauce. Simple, flavorful, and perfectly crispy.